Hey everyone, Melissa Jane here again for Lauderhill TV on the scene at Tamar Hamilton Law Firm. And I'm excited to introduce Tamar to you. So Tamar, how are you doing today, first of all?
I am doing so great, so happy to be here with you. Thank you for coming into my office today.
Absolutely. Everybody needs to know about a law firm, and you're right here in the city of Lauderhill. So we're excited about that. So let's get started. You're still fairly new to the area. How long have you been in the city of Lauderhill?
Fairly new, since 2020. I must say the city and the citizens and residents of Lauderhill have not made it seem so fairly new, because they have been walking in, they have been coming in. The city officials have provided such wonderful guidance in making sure I was set up and ready to serve the community.
Wow.
And I was able to get right in and begin doing that.
That's beautiful. So tell us a little bit about yourself and what led you into the field of, the legal field?
You know, Melissa, it's been a long time passion. My mother would tell me that from a child, if anyone ever asks, what do you want to be? I've never said anything but a lawyer.
Wow.
I enjoyed public speaking, and the passion for the law developed even more as I saw the need for people who were facing legal issues and trying to understand and navigate the laws and how they apply to their system, and not just understanding the law, but making legal services affordable for our community. And so that passion really developed, that gave me a determination, despite a lot of challenges, to persevere and be victorious in this area, not just for myself, but for the people that I do serve and continue to serve in this area and in the community. Yes.
Well, that's wonderful. What are your specialties?
So my specialties is I'm a general practice.
Okay.
But my specialty is anything involving property.
Property.
So, and that developed when I got to this country and understood the American dream and how so many people of all walks of life desire to have home ownership. I decided to make that area my specialty. So although I've practiced in other areas such as wills, powers of attorneys, education, and probate, I specialize in real estate, transactional, litigational, foreclosure defense, and just helping homeowners to mitigate through the challenges that they may have in owning or keeping their homes.
That's beautiful. So you do cover quite a few areas. That's awesome.
Yeah.
So Tamar, can you dispel some of the misconceptions that clients may have when considering to work with a law firm?
Yes. And I believe the number one misconception is, I cannot afford a lawyer. That's a big misconception. As a lawyer, I am here for the people, for the community, to educate and to guide the people. And that's why I've made consultation free. Any Lauderhill resident can call my office to speak with me. And even if I don't handle the type of matter that they are looking to get help with, I am here to connect them with the larger legal professional people that I would recommend, that I know will also take care of them as much as I would. Also, legal services are not always paid for. We offer pro bono services, and pro bono means we will do it for free. And that is a requirement from the Florida Bar. We have to certify every year that we've offered the community a certain number of hours in pro bono services. And I do that right here.
Wow, that's amazing, guys. Lauderhill residents, you can take advantage of this. This is Tamar Hamilton, PA, at the law office here. All right. Now, you've worked with many clients. Could you give me some feedback from, some of the winning episodes that you've had?
Oh, Melissa, if this table and these walls could speak, I have families that were just apart, not speaking to each other. I've had families come in and one is at the door, one is outside. But by the end of that meeting, we're all sitting at this table, unified, making decisions together. I have seen families, I've worked with families and individuals who believe that, or who had the misconception they will never be able to own a home. And working with me, being encouraged and holding their hands through the process, educating them, they've walked away just happy, smiling, and coming back every year, sharing with their friends and family how we've helped them to achieve their goals. And we've continued to do that.
Beautiful. All right. Finally then, you are also very involved in the community. Can you talk about some of your community involvement other than what you've just spoke about?
Oh, outside of these chairs and these walls, I am in the community. I have partnered with the churches,
right,
with our commissioners, with school to bring education and awareness. As you know, most of the matters that I've seen that especially that we have to go to court on, and litigation is expensive.
Right.
I always tell my people, ink is cheap. Litigation is expensive. And that's why it's important that you get with a lawyer as soon as possible. Put things in writing. Don't just let it be said and think it's okay. We can't bring that to court. But when we put it on paper, your writing, your word is very powerful and respected. And that's why I've taken legal education outside of these walls and into the community, partnering with a lot of nonprofit organizations to bring education. So if you see me on social media, you'll see flyers, you'll see that I am out there partnering with so many people to make sure this community is knowledgeable, especially in the areas of my practice.
Beautiful. Now tell people how they can find you, social media, website, etc.
Thank you. Again, I am attorney Tamar Hamilton, and I am here for the community. I am a people person, and I want to connect with you. My office is right here in the city of Lauderhill. You can find me on my website, tamarhamiltonlaw.com. tamarhamiltonlaw.com. And I am also on Facebook and Instagram. Look for Tamar Hamilton, and you will find me. The phone number to my office is 954-507-4757. I am a community lawyer. I am here for you and look forward to continuing to serve you.
I love it. So there you have it, everyone. Melissa Jane here, reporting for Lauderhill TV, speaking with Tamar Hamilton at her law firm. But remember to tune in to Lauderhill TV every Thursday at 8 p.m. for positive news about the beautiful city of Lauderhill. We'll see you later.